let's talk about gobos. So a gobo is a piece of paper that you've cut out. And so when you shine a light through it, you get a shape. So I'm going to show you how to make your own gobo. So first, get some paper, some pen or pencil, a pair of scissors. Be careful when you're using scissors and make sure there's an adult around because scissors are sharp. And lastly, a flashlight. So the paper you use doesn't matter and the color doesn't matter either because a flashlight's not going to be able to tell what color the paper is. So I'm going to use, the red and the yellow, and I'm going to make a star. I think that's something easy to start with. And I'm going to make a little harder gobo, which is going to be a butterfly. So I'm going to use a pen and I'm going to sketch out my shapes before I cut. All right, here's my star sketch and my butterfly sketch. Don't worry about extra lines like these. You're going to cut them out and you're not going to be able to see them on your final gobo. Once you're happy with the way your sketch looks, you can use a pair of scissors and cut them out. Make sure you are using scissors carefully and with an adult around. So I've cut out my gobos and I've turned out the lights because you want it to be dark if you want to see any good shadows. I found a light source, which is just a flashlight that I can hold. So I'm gonna see what my star-shaped gobo looks like first. So hold your gobo above the surface and then use your light and hold it right here. So I'm gonna back up so you guys can see it. So tricks, see how this gobo is, it looks a little blurry around the edges? If you want it to be a little sharper, move your piece of paper closer to the surface. See how much sharper that is? And if I move it farther away, it looks just a little blurrier. All right, so now I'm gonna look at my next gobo, which was my butterfly. Same thing, I'm just gonna hold it up and then if you move your flashlight closer to your gobo, so I'm gonna do it like this. If you move your flashlight really close, it makes the gobo seem a lot bigger. And if you move it far away, the gobo looks it looks a bit smaller. So at home, play around with your gobo and see what different shapes you can make.